Hi, my name is Ollie, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please check out our wide selection of high-quality products. We know there's something you're going to love. While you're at it, please be sure to check out our specials. We have some amazing deals available right now, offering unbelievable prices. If you have any questions, our friendly customer service staff will be happy to help, and they're just a click away. Thanks for visiting. We'll look forward to doing business with you. Today, I will introduce a thrilling product.
Herb Keeper. Fresh herbs often wilt before you get a chance to use them, but this Herb Keeper keeps them crisp and full of flavor for days. The upright, leak-proof design means you can slide it right into your fridge door without worrying about spills. A flip-top lid makes it easy to grab what you need quickly, while the rest stays sealed and fresh. Perfect for cilantro, mint, asparagus, beans, and other greens, it takes the stress out of keeping produce at its best. Storage cabinet. When clutter takes over, this storage cabinet helps restore order to your home. With a clean white wooden finish, it fits effortlessly into kitchens, dining rooms, or living spaces. The adjustable shelves make it easy to store tall jars, stacked dishes, or pantry items, while the smooth drawer neatly hides away smaller essentials. Both practical and stylish, it serves as both a storage solution and a modern display piece, seamlessly blending function with design. Dumpling Maker. Craving dumplings but not the long prep time? This automatic dumpling maker does the work for you. Just add the dough and your favorite filling, press the top, and out come perfectly shaped dumplings in seconds. From wontons and pierogies to empanadas and mini pastries, it handles them all with ease. Fast, fun, and simple, it lets you serve restaurant-quality bites at home without the hassle. Electric Peeler. Peeling fruits and vegetables doesn't have to be a chore. With just one click, this electric peeler glides over apples, potatoes, or cucumbers, quickly removing the skin while keeping the good stuff intact. Compact enough for any kitchen counter and easy to store when not in use, it's sturdy, modern, and built for convenience. Food prep becomes faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. Cleaning Brush. Scrubbing tough stains by hand is yesterday's task. This electric cleaning brush powers through grime with rotating action that does the hard work for you. 5 interchangeable heads handle everything from tiles and tubs to sinks and stove tops. With multiple modes, you can switch between gentle cleaning and deep scrubbing in seconds. Cordless and lightweight, it turns dreaded chores into quick, satisfying wins. Slim Organizer. That little sliver of space next to your fridge or washer doesn't have to go to waste. This slim organizer slides right in, turning tight gaps into extra storage. With multiple shelves, it's perfect for spices, condiments, or cleaning supplies in the kitchen. But it's just as handy in the bathroom for toiletries or in the living room for odds and ends. No installation needed, it's freestanding, lightweight, and designed to make small spaces feel bigger. Smart Bin. Taking out the trash just got a whole lot easier. This smart bin comes with built-in drawstring bags, so you never have to wrestle with messy liners again. The pull-out design makes it completely hands-free, just slide and go. Compact yet roomy, it fits perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or dorms. Clean, convenient, and modern, it's designed to keep chores simple and your space looking neat. Grocery Handles. Carrying heavy bags no longer means sore hands. These sturdy grocery handles give you a comfortable, non-slip grip, making it easy to haul groceries, packages, or shopping bags without strain. Designed to hold big loads with ease, they're perfect for supermarket runs, retail trips, or home deliveries. Air Cooler. Hot summer nights are no match for this portable air cooler. Compact but powerful, it delivers refreshing airflow right where you need it, your desk, bedside table, or living room. With 3 fan speeds, you can enjoy a gentle breeze or stronger cooling, while the extra large water tank keeps it running for hours without refills. A built-in timer lets you set it and relax, making it the perfect companion for staying cool and comfortable. A toothpaste squeezer. Brushing teeth is suddenly more fun, especially for kids, with this wall-mounted toothpaste squeezer shaped like a cute little fish. Just insert the tube, and it neatly squeezes out every drop, leaving no waste behind. Easy to mount and easy to use, it works just as well with skincare creams and gels. Fun, practical, and mess-free, it turns daily routines into a cheerful habit. Splatter guard. Messy microwave cleanups are a thing of the past with this splatter guard. It covers your food to stop sauces and soups from exploding all over the inside. The built-in handle makes it safe and easy to lift without burning your hands. Bonus, it doubles as a steamer, locking in heat and moisture for tastier meals. Lightweight, durable, and convenient, it's the tool you'll use every day in your kitchen. Cutting board. Meal prep gets an upgrade with this bamboo cutting board. Strong and durable, it comes with a hidden sliding tray that catches all your chopped veggies, fruits, or scraps in one smooth motion. No more clutter on the counter or extra bowls crowding your space. Gentle on your knives and built to last, this board keeps your kitchen routine neat, fast, and organized. Heated slippers. Cold feet are history with these heated slippers. Soft, plush lining wraps your toes in comfort, while built-in warming pads deliver cozy heat wherever you go. Powered by a rechargeable battery, they're perfect for lounging at home or even taking on outdoor camping trips. Unlike regular slippers, you can walk freely without losing warmth. Think of it as carrying a personal heater for your feet. Mattress lifter. Making the bed doesn't have to feel like heavy lifting. This clever mattress lifter slides under the corner and gives you a sturdy handle to raise it with ease. No more straining your back or struggling to tuck in sheets. Durable and simple, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in keeping your bed neat and hotel ready every day. Sink strainer. Say goodbye to clogged drains with this smart sink strainer. Its push-type design makes it simple to pop in and out, while the tilt mechanism collects food scraps automatically. When it's full, just lift and empty, no touching the mess. The removable base keeps everything clean and hygienic. Durable, colorful, and easy to use, it's a tiny upgrade that saves you time and effort. Paint roller. Painting walls has never been easier. This self-priming roller pulls paint directly into the handle, so you spend less time dipping and more time rolling. With a 7-in-1 design, you can tackle big surfaces, corners, and edges all with one kit. Smooth, even coverage leaves your walls looking professionally done. Quick, efficient, and mess-free, it's the ultimate helper for DIY makeovers. Lunchbox. Eating on the go just got more fun. This portable tote-style lunchbox opens into a rotating tray, giving you separate sections for fruits, snacks, or full meals. The airtight seal keeps food fresh and protected from moisture, so everything tastes just right. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for school, work, camping, or picnics. Plus, it comes with a silicone brush for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Sponge mop. For small messes, this mini sponge mop is all you need. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for cleaning counters, tiles, windows, or even your car. The self-squeezing handle keeps your hands dry while the super absorbent sponge tackles spills in seconds. It comes with 2 reusable sponge heads, so you are always prepared for the next cleanup. Compact, handy, and efficient, it makes everyday cleaning fast and stress-free. Compact, handy, and efficient, it makes everyday cleaning fast and stress-free. Pet carrier. Traveling with pets has never been easier. This trolley-style style carrier doubles as a suitcase and a cozy space for your furry friend. With roomy space, breathable mesh windows, and smooth rolling wheels, it's designed for comfort and convenience. When you need to go hands-free, simply use the shoulder strap. Whether it's a trip to the vet or an adventure across town, this carrier makes travel stress-free for both you and your pet.